If you're a parent eager to boost your child's skills, you might be wondering what the best approach is. Well, let me tell you, you need to check this out. Early STEM education is a game changer for kids. But what exactly is STEM? It stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. These fields are the building blocks of our modern world. By diving into science, technology, engineering, and math early on, children not only gain knowledge but also develop a passion for learning. They spark curiosity and build essential skills that will serve them throughout their lives. Imagine your child exploring the wonders of nature, understanding how things work, and asking questions that lead to exciting discoveries. They learn to think critically and solve problems. These are not just academic skills, they are life skills. Critical thinking helps them make informed decisions, and problem solving teaches them resilience and creativity. And guess what? Robotics takes this to a whole new level. Robotics combines all the elements of STEM in a fun and engaging way. Imagine your child designing, building, and programming their own robots. Sounds cool, right? It's like giving them a superpower to create and innovate. It's not just about tech skills, it's about fostering a mindset of creativity and innovation. It's about teamwork and perseverance too. Working on robotics projects teaches kids how to collaborate, share ideas, and work towards a common goal. Robotics makes learning fun and prepares kids for future tech-driven careers. In a world where technology is constantly evolving, having these skills gives them a significant advantage. At Roboprenr, we offer top-notch robotics education. Our programs are designed to be engaging and educational, ensuring that kids not only learn but also enjoy the process. Our hands-on experiences give kids a head start in life. They get to apply what they learn in real-world scenarios, making the knowledge stick and the learning experience more meaningful. They don't just learn, they thrive. So why wait? The earlier you start, the better prepared your child will be for the future. Enroll your child today and watch them flourish. Thanks for watching. Remember, investing in your child's education is investing in their future.